stop scrolling because what I'm about to show you shouldn't be this easy, but it is. You've already seen these videos everywhere. 3D Bible stories pulling millions of views, simple English story videos blowing up overnight, full AI movies getting insane traction, even anime channels and 3D cartoon stories quietly farming millions without showing a face. And here's the crazy part. Most people watching still think this takes a full team. It doesn't. Right now, you're probably thinking, okay, but how are all these channels doing this at scale? Because every niche looks different, every style feels complex, and yet they're all winning. That's the gap. That's the opportunity. And if you stay with me, I'm going to show you exactly how these videos are being made using just one tool. First, you need to see proof. So I tested this myself. I picked a random idea, opened one tool, Zopia AI, and gave myself 5 minutes. Not 5 hours, 5 minutes. The goal was simple: create a faceless video that actually looks like those viral ones you keep seeing. 3D animation, consistent characters, story flow, everything. And here's where it gets interesting, because this isn't just about making one type of content. With this one tool, you can create 3D animated videos, full story-based videos, short reels, even entire movie-style content without switching platforms. No voice recording stress, no character inconsistency, no complicated edits, just one system doing everything. On your screen right now are channels doing exactly this. Some uploading 3D animations, others pushing AI story content, others building cartoon-style series, and they're all pulling massive views consistently. Not once, not luck, consistently, which means this isn't a trend, it's a system. So before I explain how you can replicate this step by step and start your own faceless YouTube or even a TikTok series, because yes, platforms are literally paying creators for this right now, I want you to watch what I made in just 5 minutes using this exact method. Watch closely, because after this, I'm breaking down exactly how you can do the same thing from scratch.
Zev! Sink your spirit or the thunder will swallow you whole. Fly!
Ready, Stacks! Let's show them! Woohoo! Whoa! Pull up, boys! Not that way!
Storm beasts! They're heading for the islands! Delis! We dive!
It's crushing everything!
Stacks! Feel the rhythm! Match my breaths! Left wing down! Yes! That's it, partner! Drive them back to the Storm Heart!
You just saw the result, and yeah, it looks way more complex than it actually is. But the truth is, this entire video was made using just one AI, not multiple tools. Just one. Link in the description. Once you land on Zopia AI, simply sign up and log in. No setup needed. You'll get 100 free credits instantly, plus daily credits, so you can start without spending anything. When you enter, you'll see a clean interface. This is where everything happens. But before we jump into creating the video, there's one thing most beginners skip, and that's exactly why they fail. You need an idea, not just any idea, a viral-ready idea. So here's what I do. I take a ready-made prompt, I've already given you that in the description, copy it, and then open ChatGPT. Paste the prompt, hit generate, and instantly, you get multiple viral topic ideas. Just pick one idea, copy it, that's it. Take that idea back into Zopia AI, everything changes. Go back, paste your topic into the input box, and watch what happens. And if you already have a script or even a storyboard, you can upload that too. But honestly, you don't even need it. That's the twist. The tool does the heavy lifting for you. So now you're not stuck thinking, what should I make? You're already halfway into creating a full video. Now, once you paste your idea, right below you'll see a model option. Click on it and you'll find multiple models. Don't overthink this. If you want high quality output, just select Seedance 2 and move on. Then hit create. That's your trigger moment. Now wait a few seconds and a new window pops up. First, choose your video ratio. If you're targeting shorts or TikTok, go with 9:16. If you're making long YouTube content, switch to 16:9. Simple decision, but it changes everything. Next, image quality, set it to 2K. Don't cheap out here. Then keep generate audio turned on so your video comes alive automatic. Set resolution to 720p. And leave the model as Cadence 2. No need to touch anything else. There's one more setting that quietly decides whether your video looks average or viral. Scroll down and you'll see visual styles. This is where you choose how your video feels. You've got options: realistic, 3D CG, 3D Pixar cartoon, and realistic photorealistic, even anime style. Pick one based on your niche. Once everything is set, hit confirm. And now, you'll land on a new interface. At first, it might look confusing, but relax, because this is where the magic happens. On the right side, you'll see a chat panel. This is insanely powerful. You can literally talk to the system and change anything: scenes, characters, dialogue, like you're texting an editor. But don't rush it. Right now, your only job is to wait. Let the system generate your script first, because what happens next is where your simple idea turns into a full cinematic video. Now your script is ready, and this is where most people either level up or completely ruin their video. Because you're not locked in. You can change anything, edit any line, fix the tone, adjust the story, just type directly into the script, hit save, and now it becomes yours. Not AI's, yours. And here's where it gets interesting. On the right side, you'll see an option: Start Character and Scene Design. Click it. The moment you do that, your video starts coming to life. Not just words anymore, actual visuals, characters, scenes, movement, but you need to wait. Let it build. Because what shows up next decides whether your video feels real or fake. Once it loads, go to the character section at the top. You'll see your characters being generated automatically based on your script. This is where consistency happens. Now don't skip this step. Voice. Click on the voice section and you'll see multiple voice options. Pick one that actually fits your character. You can also upload a local voice from your device by clicking on Upload Local. If it's a serious story, choose a voice with depth. If it's a fun animation, go for something lighter. This one choice can completely change how people feel about your video. I selected mine quickly but strategically. Then hit confirm. Repeat this process for all characters. And if something feels off, fix it instantly. You don't like a character? Regenerate it in one click. No redesign, no stress, just refresh. That's the power here. And now you'll see another option inside the chat panel: Generate Multiple Angles. Click it, and now your character isn't just static anymore. It gets created from different angles. Front, side. Wait a few seconds, and now you're not just creating a video, you're building a world. Now your characters are ready, and this is where control shifts completely into your hands. If you don't like a character, you don't adjust, you replace. Just click on the character, hit upload, and bring in your own from your device. Instantly, no limitations. And here's something most people ignore, but it matters. You can change facial expressions, identity, even the overall feel of the character in one click. But instead of manually tweaking everything, go to the chat panel on the right and give a simple command. That's the shortcut. That's the leverage. Now click to generate the storyboard. This is where your story finally gets structure. Scene by scene, frame by frame. Wait for it, don't rush, because once it's done, you'll see another option: Generate All Keyframe. Click it, let it process. Because what you're about to see is the exact moment your idea turns into a real video pipeline. At the top, switch to the Storyboard tab. And now, everything is visual. Every scene, every character, multiple angles already placed. You're no longer imagining the video, you're looking at it. Each scene is editable. Click any frame, tweak it, adjust it, refine it, and if you want to expand your video, just hover below any scene and hit the plus icon. New shot added instantly, no timeline headaches. Now here's a powerful move most beginners don't know. If your character images are grouped, you can separate them into clean frames. Just type a simple command in the chat: regenerate frames individually, and the system splits them into multiple usable shots. Clean, structured, ready. And now comes the moment everything connects. A new option appears: Generate Video. Click it, and just like that, your images start turning into actual video scenes. Now click Generate Video, hit confirm, and your scenes instantly turn into real videos. If anything looks off, fix it in one click. Then go to the timeline, preview your full video, make quick tweaks, and wait for rendering. Your video is ready. But here's the crazy part. What if you didn't have to repeat this process again and again? Inside Zopia AI, there's a feature called Episodes, and this changes everything. You can create multiple episodes of the same video. Just click on the top corner of episode 1, and from there, you can easily generate new episodes in seconds. This is how creators scale. This is how channels grow fast. Once your video is ready, simply preview it, click render and download it. Done. This isn't about editing, it's about building a content machine. No effort, no waiting. This is how creators scale. This is how channels grow fast. After your video is rendered, go back to the main dashboard of Zopia AI and click on OpenClaw. This is the moment where everything changes. Up until now, you were creating videos step by step, but from here you shift into automation. Inside OpenClaw, you're basically setting up your own AI agent. This isn't just another feature, it's a system that can handle your entire workflow. Scripts, characters, storyboard, video generation, everything runs automatically with just one instruction. First, generate your API token, then connect it inside the system and set your basic upload instructions. Don't overcomplicate this. Once it's connected, you're done with setup. Now comes the powerful part. You give a simple command, and the AI starts building your video from scratch. It writes the script, creates the characters, designs the scenes, and generates the full video without you touching anything. No switching tools, no editing stress, no repetition. And here's the twist most people don't expect. It doesn't stop at one video. While your first video is rendering, another one is already being scripted. While that one is in progress, a third one is being designed in the background. Everything runs in parallel. This is how creators are scaling so fast. Zopia AI offers both free and paid plans. Paid plans start around $16. With a $29 basic monthly plan, choose what fits you. You're not just watching viral videos anymore. You can create them, so if you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and start your first one today.